Assalamualaikum students, welcome to the video lectures of Object Oriented Software Engineering. I'm your course instructor Momina Shaheen from Department of Computer Science, Commerce University, Lahore. This subject is offered to bachelors of software engineering students, and I will be teaching you the lab course of this subject. It's three credit hour course, 2+1, one for lab, and its prerequisite is Introduction to Software Engineering. If you have passed this course, then you can take this course in the fourth semester. I'm the course leader for lab sections, and my associated faculty member is Ms. Sana Makbool. Here the course outline as per SOS, scheme of the study, and we will start from introduction to software engineering and introduction to software, moving towards the requirement engineering process to the designing process, and then we will revise the software design concepts and principles and move toward the object-oriented analysis of the software, and we will revise the object-oriented concept which you have studied in object-oriented programming and how these are used in this course. This will also make you understand, you will be able to understand the fundamental principle of object-oriented software design, and you will be able to uh, locate and summarize the relevant literature from both traditional and electronic media to understanding of the topic of object-oriented design, and you will be applying the design of object orientation in your project, and it will be and it will benefit you to read and understand and plan the projects of object-oriented techniques. Here are the main books which you will follow. First will be Object-Oriented Software Engineering, Practical Software Development using UML and Java, and it will be the primary book. I will follow this book, and the associated faculty member also follow this book throughout the course. Second is kind of secondary book, and but it is your textbook. You can use this book for solving the examples and doing assignments. Now, object-oriented software engineering, I use case-driven approach by Jacobson. Next are the some reference books. These reference books are uh, in which row of books you have already studied in the introduction to software engineering subject in third semester, and the other two books are applying UML patterns will assist you in the sixth and seventh chapter, and next is the grading system. As you know, the grading system of Commerce University. Here you can pass the course at 50%, and above 50% you will get good grades as much as you get the marks, obtain the marks. The next is the assessment schedule for the lab course. For lab course, I have designed five assignments which I have already told you in the live session that these assignments will be graded, and these assignments will be collected one by one as the course progresses. Here is the announcement date and due date of the assignment which is mentioned. The writing format of the assignments is according to the uniform format which is used in CUI, starting from the title and name of student, name, program name, and then abstract to moving toward the references of the assignment. It is the basic format which we will use. In the case of exceptions, you will know in the live sessions. So live sessions are really necessary. Paper format must be A4 size paper, and here are some document constraints which you should follow. Yeah, there are some tips. according to and by following those tips you can succeed in this course, and you won't only pass this course but you can get good marks in this course. First of all, listen attentively to the recorded lectures and go through the all the presentation slides and the reading materials and helping materials weekly. Then move toward the all online sessions. Online sessions are really necessary. You can come in the live sessions and have some queries, and you must have to listen attentively. Many activities will be performed in the live sessions. Then you have to read the assigned portion prior to the class, which will be assigned in the live sessions. Then you will be able to solve likewise questions in the exams and assignments if you will do your routine activity. Next is the tip which is for your assignments. uh, in your assignments, be concise and comprehensive. I don't want a long and detailed story in the assignment. I want comprehensive and precise lecture. Use your own intellect to evaluate information, and class participation is a must. Now, here is the learning plan, which is from 1 to 15 lectures, and you will proceed accordingly in each session. First of all, we will start from the project proposal, and from the project proposal to its requirement engineering and its use case diagrams, and how to use case tools for designing the uh, uh, project design and etc. You will know how to draw UML diagrams such as ERDDFD, sequence diagram, collaboration diagrams, state transition diagram, class diagrams, and what are the convention of implementing class diagrams, and what are the coding standards you should follow in implementation, and what must be the user interface of any project. All these things you will learn. This will be a project based assessment. I have already assigned you the project, and you will have to perform all these 15 tasks which are given in each lecture. uh, on your assigned project, you will have to do all these tasks on your assigned projects. Then you will be evaluated in the last according to the project of the object oriented software engineering uh, subject. Thank you. In any queries, you can uh, put a question in the comment, or you can directly ask me. You know my email, and all the planning details which I have mentioned in the lecture plan. Those are recorded lectures, and the links are given in the description below.